Hey everyone, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. I have been doing videos for a number of years now, and I've created videos about different topics, mindset videos, videos about exercises and challenges, um, videos about nutrition, and videos about self-treatment, just to mention a few. So I want to get your input. I want to get your help on something because I want to be able to continue helping you. I want to continue helping more and more people through these videos and through our online services, and we want to make them, better and better. So tell me, what do you want from me? What kind of videos or services do you like? Is it mindset videos, or is it videos about exercises? Is it videos about nutrition, or is it videos about self-treatment? I would love to hear your input in the comments below, or you can message me directly. That way, I know how to be able to continue helping you, and I know how to continue changing and transforming people's lives. All right. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and share this with everyone so that way we can, get more ideas. And if you like this video, you can follow us on Instagram, you can like us on Facebook, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.